Chur whanau. How's it going? How are we doing today, whanau? Chur. Woohoo, day 2. Chur, brother. Hey! Chur, Fanta. Damn, 9 months. Chur, big bopper. Chur, my bro. Hey, shout out to Fanta for the 9 months, our first 9-month sub, I believe. Oh, I hear arguments on the road. Shit, bloody early for that. Sure, everyone. Hope everyone had a good evening. Was having a good evening. Sure, whanau. Once again, back on the bed today, on the other side. We'll smash that out today and see how far we can get. Robin and Death's Rider, thank you very much for the subs, man. Much appreciated. The primes for the primers. And Big Bopper, have a good Xmas, brother, to you and your whanau. Yeah, thank you, Big Bopper, for the 4 months, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Caboose, thank you very much for the sub as well. The prime for the primus. Hey Shemaya, Chur, metal within me. Kia ora, everyone. Shall we catch up first or shall we just start? I don't mind either way. Either way. Look, some bro, cheesecake, some pretty shit weather here today. It was raining and then it's gone sunny now. I was like, I might leave the fridge inside for today. Hope it's a nice day there today. Oh yeah, it's all good. Not too hot, but yeah, the weather's a bit, as per usual. More than one season in the day. But it's really humid here. Oh, what is it? Muggy, sorry. Thank you, Silver Fox. Gee, brother, are you a bit of a Oblivion player? We're just starting. If I remember correctly. Okay. So we were getting ready to do the beard yesterday. Socks, thank you very much for the sub as well, man. Much appreciated, brother. Just remember, guys, you don't have to. Christmas in a few days. It's always good to just watch. Thank you, Mercury. Cheer, JT. I'm so jealous of your main bun. Oh, mean Jinky, meanies. It's always good to see Tim back on the. He did mean in Mandalorian. You ever think you're going to do a tutorial on this? I don't know. I haven't really been. Just been showing people the steps I would take. Yeah, sorry once again, whanau. No music handy today again. I think I might have to go look for a phone today. Not sure what, but a phone that's better than the one I have that's not working anymore. Boba was almost my favourite. You see, the actor that played Boba Fett back in the day passed away, eh? Not Tim, the other one. Sure, Genzi, Matt Ree and Vink TV, thank you very much for subbing along with Caboose. Bro, that name, brother. Gifting 5 subs? Bro, honestly, don't have to. Honest. Oh, someone's calling me a puta. Let's give my time out. Hey, Chur, brother Hammer. Damn, you up early, brother? Well, mind you, it's pretty late here now. Thought I'd get a stream in before I go see my grandmother. She just got out of hospital. Had a check-up today. All is well. Just checking to see if the thing that was causing her trouble last time was gone, and it is. Hey, Solid Fighter. Thanks for the bits, brother. Oh, all good. Cheesecake. Yeah, I slept in a bit. It's like living here, bro. All good. Okay, let's get some level going down on this face. Yeah, my name's doing good, thank you. Okay. What's everyone been gaming? What's everyone's games they've been playing lately? Hello from Scotland. Hey, bud. Okay, still a bit high. Get this face done. There we go. Gotta drop these down a bit more because they're still too high. Cheers, 30. I love no Demon Souls right now. Cyberpunk, FIFA, a lot of GTA. Okay. Destiny, sure. Goobus, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, JT, man, I think I want to try and find my Red Dead and start jamming that again. If I can't find it, then I might see if my PC can run it. Should be. Call of Duty. Chur. What's the carving of? Odin from Assassin's Creed. Well, their variation of Odin. It's for UBISOFT. Chur, Thunder. Thunder and lightning, ka-chow! Okay, so let's get some of this done. Wonder if they're watching. Probably not. They'd be on holiday now, eh? If you can't find it, then you'll have to settle watching me play it. But all good. Do you think you have doing this? Oh, I don't know. I don't really look at the counter. I just carve and play well. Thing I pay attention to is the people talking. This numbers can't talk back to you. That's just my opinion on it. Ah, damn. man, the green's going the other way. Not one of these ones. Cheers, Soul Zero. Hey, enjoy stuff. Thank you very much for the 9 months, brother. Hold our second niner today. God damn. Holy cow. Enjoy stuff. So our first 9-monther was Fanta, and then into enjoy stuff. Thank you very much, brother. Hold up. Oh, Sam, thank you for the 2 months too, brother. What is this? Nice easy wood. No, I can't remember, bro. I forgot. The dude was telling me, but I was just excited to start, eh? Okay, the beard on that side will need to be adjusted to fit the smaller side. The new badge is dope. Bro, I gotta figure out some new ones, eh? Cash App, yeah I do, but my phone's broken so I can't. So you gotta listen to the birds. Jamothy, thank you very much for these 7 months, brother. Holy crap. Cheers, brother. Love from Britain, my guy. Cheer, Willie. Man, Lemon and Echo, yeah. Echo got to the secret mythic phase, eh? So there, yeah, it's gonna be a tight one. I've only been watching Limit though, just because of Maxi. Thank you very much, Luca Fernandez, for the bit, brother. Along with Zound and Wheelhouse. Much appreciated, brother. What's the devices? What? What's the devices that hold the wood called? Clamps. That's what it's called. It's just a clamp. You can get them at hardware stores if you really want to know where they are. Okay, this will need to be dropped as well. Bring that mow out a bit. There we go. Yeah, this side here has to come right in a bit. Cheers, Sam. Thanks, Dwan. So we'll try and get through this today, the beard, and then we'll carry on. What's your favourite wood to work with? Free timber. One you don't have to pay for. That's me being honest. I'm a pink cupcake, yeah. I mean, I would get them, but then again, I don't have a workshop to store them, eh? So I'd rather not, because they'll get stolen. So when it comes to the day where, I don't know, I have my own shed or workshop, then I'll start investing in the power tools I need. I'm Hell. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. God damn, there's a lot of birds around today. Oh, thank you, Willie. No, really, I don't have a preference. I'll just carve anything. Doesn't matter what timber is there. Knotty timber is good because it's a good challenge. Doesn't matter. I'll carve anything. Nano Tom, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, I'm not really fussy, eh? I'll just carve any timber that crosses my path, really. Can't really pick and choose, eh? Just gotta be grateful for what comes your way. Well, you can pick and choose, but I'm grateful with whatever timber comes my way or crosses my path. Not till next year, Ice Guardian. My commission list is already full. And I'll be focusing on them 100% once this is done. Go. In what way will this carving be used by Ubisoft? I don't know. Put on a table on display? Or in a case? Next to the game? Maybe? I didn't ask. Or I assume it's going to be in a table or case or something. That's just, yeah, what I think is going to happen. If they pop in, ask them. I probably won't. I'm just doing the mahi. I believe it's 2021 next year. Like no meme. Yeah, Shemaya. Yeah, still doing it. What's your 5-year future look like? I don't know. I'm all about the now, not the future. I don't really think far ahead, eh? Who's to say I'm not going to be here in 5 years? I don't know. That's why I don't really make those kind of plans. I'm all about the present time, the now. Yeah, I don't really do those. Yeah, that's just how I've always rolled. Even when I was young, I was like, man. That's just, yeah, pretty much me. Caboose, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Cheers though, brother. Or is it a sis? I better make sure. Da, da, da. Oh, this is my first time, Shemai. I was really hesitant to say yes. to this project, mainly because scared out of my comfort zone, and then I realised, bro, that's what you have to do to get better. Get out of your comfort zone. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, no wonder they're all over here. There's a smorgasbord of bloody bugs over there. Chitted, loving the streams, bro. Hey, thanks for the 2 months, brother. Cheers, my bro. Oh, I'm glad you're liking it, bro. Yeah, I know it might be a bit hard to watch with no music. But thanks, brother. So I need to check cut there. Bro, you're my idol. Oh, bro, I'll try and be a good example for you, brother. Oh, come on. I know some of yous are like a day behind, but it's still Christmas this week. God damn. Yo, BTG Styles. Oh, Kyle, thanks for gifting 5 subs, brother. This went to Porpoise Daddy Estrama, Gast FNBR, eBibby, and Peak. Oh, thank you, bro. Bro, you honestly don't have to do that, eh? It's Christmas this week. Go and get a, I don't know, fruitcake. Hey, Chur, Drax Project. Cheers for the raid, bros. How did your guys' song go? Chur, Drax Project, thank you very much for the raid. Hope he's had a good jam session and dill pickles all around. Share the boys. LeBron guy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Hold on, find it. I'll just do this. Got a hydrate coming in for Momo points. Just started. When's the touring carving room? Oh, I didn't even know I was doing one. Chur Drax Project. Bro, that was a mean song too. Made up in 30 minutes. And I hope the bro doesn't forget his present tomorrow. Surprise. Coming out, it's Christmas. Yeah, I mean. Be sure to listen to it off stream so we don't get banned from DMCA. That's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. First time tuning in, thanks for... I've found my new favourite stream, such a chill environment. Oh, welcome, bro. Yeah, first time. Yeah, bro, we just watch me carve, have in-depth conversations about food. What else do we do? Talk about games, carving, the weather. Yeah, we do it all. Sometimes we have music suggestions by some of the people watching that we can't play. On rare occasions we get asked to play songs, but obviously we can't. Okay, this beard is looking a bit better now. I know you can't play it in stream. Recommend music by a guy called Joji. It's so damn chill. Sure, okay. Yeah, of course they will. They have to. They have to follow the DMCA laws. If I ever get banned for music, I'll be like, oh, okay then. Oh well, back outside the cave. If it doesn't get lifted, then oh well, back outside the cave. I'm an egg. Oh, don't be an egg here, brother. You get banned. DMCA is so sucky. Yeah, we just have to adapt to it, eh? Yo, Adonis, thank you for gifting a sub, brother. Oh, that's right, we had a hydrate get redeemed, eh? Okay, I'll just shape this. But it's been pretty good having no phone, though. Okay, let me just go and get some water for this redeem. You already have the next piece in mind. Yeah, it's in the corner there. You just can't see it. No problem. Bitch Parrot, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Kevbot just asking about Moko vs Kiritui. Oh, okay. You're a cyberpunk player. Bitch Parrot and the Neon Hippo, thank you very much for the subs, whanau. He's gonna get a Kiritui and was asking if it was offensive. I mean, if you can tell the story that's put on your skin, eh? Not getting it for the looks, just like Cyberpunk, Tony Hawk, and other games, you should be right, and the speaker is flat. Damn. Okay. Oh well. Yo, Spaghetti, thank you very much for the bits, brother. I'll just chuck it on the charger. Hold on. Well, that was a big rip. Oh. Who was the bro that was asking about Kiritui? Yeah, so Kiritui, bro, is more for the look, see? So people, all these cyberpunk Andy saying it's art, bro. I was like, oh, you're not even Māori and you're trying to tell me what? So with Kiritui, bro, can be put anywhere other than the face. pretty much, because that is obviously Mataora e Moko Kauai, that area. Those are the two of the most sacred forms we have. And yeah. Namese, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Glad to see you still doing well. Keep it up, man. Thank you, brother. I'll try my best. And Luke Thigh-Walker. Frick's sake. Cherry Luke Thigh-Walker for the sub as well for 2 months, brother. Luke Thigh-Walker. Yeah, I had a copy of Cyberpunk until I saw that they put Kirituhi on the chin tattoo when it's not Kirituhi at all. Was a big put off for me. I was like, nah, not playing this game, Gav. Fuck yeah, I didn't. All the problems, eh? Waste your bloody time. That's a crack up name, hard out. Thick thighs save lives. Oh, the name depends on the running distance, eh? What can you do with them? I mean, probably save your life when your legs are about to give out on the squat. What did you think of the Mandalorian finale? I cried. Man tears. Pretty much. Bro, it was quite a good episode, eh? Even next year's gonna be even better. Way better. What's up, B. Kyle? What's up? It's all good. Just ask away, bro. All good. You can't be like that dude from the weekend. He was Nick Lev. Do you keep it pure? What? Once I can afford it, I'll send the pic. I'm dreaming and designing it up in my head. Yeah, and Kevbot, if you're ever gonna do it, make sure you get a good, have a good talk with the person that's gonna do it. And if it feels right, then you go with them. Still a bit too high. Now he's listening to Night Fever. Stuff you and your cool ass songs I can't carve to. Or just leave the car door open and I can hear it, but the chat can't. I'll be good with it. Night Fever is a banger. Okay. Where the hell's my pencil? What are you carving? This guy from Assassin's Creed. The commission for UBISOFT. They emailed me. And they said, high five. Oh, bro, I just lost my bloody pencil again. Oh, come on. What did I do with it? Ratchet. Oh well, this is what you do. You wing it. Oh, bro, turn these BGs up, brother. Yeah. Can you hear it? So, ending stream. No. Morning, off and grey. Chur, brother. Your religion, E-unit, or you? Did you check behind your ear? Yes. Oh no, the speaker's charging inside. I don't even know what I did with it, eh? I never do, eh? Oh, bro. What does that mean, Tom? Our man's pumping the Bee Gees. Wonder if he'll hit us with that Waterloo. Can just hear it, okay. Next minute. You have been banned for playing the Bee Gees. Wasn't even me, it was the clown across the road. Ooh. This dude's playing some bangers. Like when my neighbours have a party, I have to stop streaming because they pump their stereo quite loudly. It was Alan Stone the other day. I love the Aussie accent. Don't ever say that again. Hey man, don't ever say that again. Eh? Wrong country. Thank you, Nog Collins. I'm only Australian when Origin's on. And even then I'm not, but don't tell anyone. Queensland! Woo! Main song. Maybe that's the secret. Get your neighbour to play a song that's far away so you can listen to it while you carve. Yo, Scallop Callop and Chasmo, thank you very much for these subs, guys. Not the state of origin. Bro, it used to be mean back in the day there when they used to fight. That's when I used to enjoy it. I used to have to watch it every year with my grandfather because he was a blues fan. Well, my whole family was blues. I remember when Queensland won one year and I just stood in front of the camera and pulled the fingers to all of them. And they just cracked up laughing. ASMR streams of the neighbours arguments. Next minute, biggest streamer. More viewers than Code Miko. No. And I'll even be like the rugby matches, commentary. Sort of overstated about, to be honest. Oh, fuck, it's every year for you, see? I wouldn't be surprised. I really enjoyed State of O when they used to fight. Especially that big ass rumble they had back in the day on the field. Fuck, my quarter was going nuts. What was the best thing you've carved? Probably everything, because I was really proud of all of them. Okay, this mo needs to be changed because look at that. Boom. Oh, thank you, Mr. Love. We're just trying to be a barber at the moment, professional beard sculptor dude. Ooh, Aerosmith. changing the song. It'll be more popular than Shortland Street because it'll be real. Like last night there was like some couple arguing last night. I just finished doing some dungeons. And they were going at it, eh? They woke my kids up and obviously I got mad. And but bro, the lady let out the manas battle cry. Fuck, they laugh. I missed your carving of the AC Assassin's Creed last time. And me. Here it is, staring right at you. But just a little bit more sculpt than the last time. Broxh mad is a scary thought. Oh, it's just normal, eh? Normal to get mad. Especially when people wake my kids up, that's one thing I hate. Okay, beard is looking a bit sculpted, so we gotta try and get them gradually the same now. This one's a bit harder because there are sections in the grain where it's going up. They called us British whanau. Just okay. Ending stream. I'm surprised by your British accent. Action? Low-key went a bit stitched there. Accent. I'm not British, man. Don't be like Kenny Beats. Nah, all good, brother. I'm from Aotearoa, brother. Gibby and Grim Revelation. Thank you very much, guys, for these subs. Much appreciated. Whanau. Action. Feel like the James Bond, do they? James Bond. My name is James Bond. Should raid someone and make their day. I mean, that's what I mean, yeah. Just don't suggest anyone. I raid those that don't ask. I mean, but we just started. Trying to kick me off already. Ordering me some KFC. Nice. Love to have some, but I can't. Fermentation? Thank you very much for the bits, brother. James Bond. Bonds. So yeah, quite an iconic voice there, fella. Is as much British as me. Hey. Ooby-doo. I wanna be like you. How did you learn your craft? Apprenticeship or some kind? No, just introduced to it by my uncle. We do traditional Māori wood carving, not this kind of stuff. This is the first time I've ever gone outside of my culture. Just for fun. I was approached by UBISOFT to have a go at carving Odin from the game. I'm not sure if they like it. I don't know if they're watching. might have taken too long and aren't wanted anymore. But we'll see how we go. Is it still any good? It's probably been one of the best expansions as of late, I would say. I don't think I know anyone that enjoyed BFA. I don't know. But for me, I enjoy WoW nonetheless. Because it's WoW. It overtook Wrath of the Lich King for most copies sold in a WoW expansion. What did I enjoy most about BFA? Probably Vol'jin, seeing him again. Man, I was quite sad when they killed him off. I was not really happy with Blizzard. But I guess it was a lead up to what's happening now. And what's happening now is bloody epic, what he's about to become. I like Bwan Samdi. He's a character that stood out for me in BFA. He's cool. You want to make a deal? Niles me? Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Thank you very much. Mate. Thing great? Bro, I haven't even played it yet. I was expecting to see him a bit more. Hold on, that's all I'll say. Yeah, it's cool to see Bwan Samdi again. You want to make a deal with Bwan Samdi? Yeah, he's a pretty mean character. I really enjoyed seeing him in terms of the voice acting and all that. I know not much people get into that kind of stuff, but I think that's probably some of the stuff I get into the most when it comes to WoW. Oh, sure, did you just watch it, brother? Bro, we men cry, brother, straight up. I think that's why everyone was buzzing out at the episode, eh? No one was expecting that. Hello, Dougie. Last night, yeah. Ah, yeah, bro. Fuck. Yep. Next one. I just remembered Pokemon Snap's coming back, last night. I love the Portal reference in Cyberpunk. Oh, I wouldn't have a clue, bro. I don't play it. Do you have something that annoys you? Yeah, people that eat with their mouths open. People that can't even put their damn rubbish in the bin when it's right next to them. What else? Animal cruelty. I hate that. Oh, that's bigger than annoy, so I shouldn't include that. What else annoys me? Wannabe hard guys. People that walk around trying to act tough when they should just walk normal like everyone else. Anyone think they got bloody hedgehogs under their bloody armpits? What else annoys me? The sun on summer. What else? Jeez, I don't know, Oh, not getting loot from dungeon runs through the whole damn thing. I hate that. Yes, people that try and touch my hair, well, that I get more annoyed. I'm more annoyed than that when people try and touch my hair. I get angry. Because I don't like people touching my hair unless it's my kids. Hey, Chur Manoli. Hey, you let me pay for it though. Can we get a shout out for Manoli Visuals, please? How you been, bro? So if you don't know who Manoli Visuals is, guys, he actually makes keyboards, and they're damn good too. Dale Gold, thank you very much for the sub as well, and Spirits of White Raven, thank you. I think when I do, if I ever do hit you up, bro, can it be a ducky sized one? Not really I don't really use the like section on the other side of my keyboards, like here's the direction keys and all that section. If you want to see a switchboard with custom keycaps, go and look at his one. It's the best one I've ever seen. And he has a keyboard that's based off of, his spacebar has Roronoa Zoro's swords in it. It's pretty cool. It's clean hands too. Sent home to my parents for Christmas. Nice, man. That's good, brother. Yeah, I'll be doing that as well. You can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you... Oh, don't sing that. Oh, all good, man. We'll definitely talk about it next year. I mean, it's in a few weeks, but you know. Did you just put it in the gabagool of fire? My head shaped like an egg. If was that against the chat rules? No. Dude, you know about One Piece? I think. Yeah. Oh, bro. These are my favourite characters. So, out of the Straw Hats, yeah, Roronoa is one of my favourites. But some of my favourite characters is Whitebeard and Kaido. I like those two characters. They're pretty gangster. Shanks is pretty mean, but I'd prefer Kaido and Whitebeard. Yo, Asukatsu. Jeez, I'm probably saying that wrong. Thank you very much for the raid, brother. I sent you a walnut board that's pretty small. Oh, all good, bro. Damn, that's right, you did a wooden keyboard too, eh? The frame. I remember that. And it had the... Oh, what was that switch? Oh, that key. It looked like Gengar, but it wasn't. Correct me if I'm wrong. Not the accent, bro. All I can think of is the kid from Deadpool. I can hear you at the back there rummaging around. Yeah, he's Māori as well, brother. Ricky Baker. No. So we're pretty much of the same, I don't know, race. I haven't watched Jujutsu yet, Midnight. I don't know if the Izanaks have yet. Thank you, Sturdy Butter, for gifting a sub. You know bloody is. A little rough, unfortunately. The PC didn't work as well as would have hoped. Oh yes, I remember you saying. The concerns you had. Damn, that was a good keyboard too. Really good keyboard. I like it when you grab all the your keyboards and you test the sound of the switches. Hello from Guatemala. Hey, Fryzone. Damn, Guatemala. Yeah, man, some of the keycaps you have, god damn. There you go. Just shaping his beard now. Cool. There we go. Have you ever been any concerts in NZ? Nah, man, I'm staying away from large gatherings even though COVID's not here. For the well-being of my children. Have you ever seen typewriter keyboard? Looks and sounds dope. True, nah. Have you, Manoli? Oh, brother, you're all good. Love watching your work, bro. Go. So we're just getting the shape of the beard at the moment, so I'm just doing the top halves, then I'll come back and do the bottom. Oh jeez, Manoli, you didn't have to. Let me know whenever you want one made and I will be more than happy to help you out. Oh, thank you, brother. Yeah, definitely, bro. Thank you, man. No freebies though. Oh, bro, I wanted to ask, where did you get your Tanjiro kimono jersey from? What's the one state in America you would want to visit? We have a Blizz Corners. Oh, big boy, it's all good. Beyond the chainsaw now, the stages. Go beyond. Don't mention him, my man. I love helping out a fellow making proud things. Oh, all good, brother. Much appreciated, man. Tackle Echo. Thank you very much for the 2 months as well, brother. I love the positive attitude, my bro. It's just me, brother. Just me. Sorry for the dumb question. Wish I knew you better. What's that, Infinite? Oh, yeah, bro, I don't know much about America, eh? So I'll just be that guy. We have a Blizz Corners. Cheer out to her. Yeah, I don't know much, brother. Sorry. You're all good, bro. No need to apologise. You're all good, brother. Go, and we'll drop back the other side. Give it that hop cross bun look. Do you watch Mandalorian? Finished it all, mate. Chub from Punchy. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Interesting name. Wonder where our neon booty goon is. Must be playing Cyberpunk. Especially with that name. Okay. The Panda Pie. Hey! Thank you for the sub, brother. Like the name. But I wouldn't recommend eating panda, but cool name. Thank you, brother. Oh, that end credit scene is clean. Yeah, hard, bro. And most people's here. Oh, bro, I don't really do maintenance on the bed. I just cut it off when my face gets hot. Okay, let's start cleaning these ends up, just so we can butt the other side in. KDA, when I know how you do it every day. Love watching the Chur stream. Hey, thanks, brother. Oh, yeah, bro. I just don't want to talk about it because no one's seen it yet here. Oh, some people haven't. Oh, good, Infinity Stoned. Infinity Stoned. I've been calling you Infinite Stone this whole time. He's probably like, I am inevitable. Oh, I'm using the wrong chisel. Lost. Oh, good, that's good. Gotta get back to work. But good luck with the rest of the stream, brother. I'll be looking. Hey, thanks, Maloli. You have a good you smash out your work, brother. Sorry, I was just lagging a bit there. Look forward to seeing the builds next year too. Yo, so how's Limit doing? Are they getting onto that secret phase again? The mirror room. There we go. If I would do it. Sure, Kazillion. Go to bite, mate, bro. Getting a bit hungry, but that's normal. Not sure, you're one screen and doing tall gas on the other. Ah, fair enough. Get through the tall gas, my man. Sure, Domo. Yeah, bro, I'm doing all good, brother. Thanks for asking, hope you are too. Just cleaning up these joins now. There we go. Got to check if his bed's on the same level. Oh yeah, sure. Do you have any contacts to the Maori people of New Zealand? I am one. KFC is here. Oh, yes. COD. Ah, all good, brother. Have a good game. Have a good game. Here we go. Nice little dip in there. And then we'll have to do this side now. Okay, yep, that looks like we don't need to touch this section anymore. Let's go! Hey, looking forward to the new Star Wars next year. To be honest, bro, I'm probably not even going to watch it. I only watch Mandalorian. Do you lift weights often? Oh, I just go now and again when I feel stressed. But I do. Been going to the gym just to get my strength back up. I miss doing drop sets on deadlifts. Zanderson, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Mr. Zanderson. Welcome to the Xander Zone. Oh no, it's you've just entered the Xander Zone. And rubbish techno music after that, eh? How's Sephiroth coming along, Thunder? Still jamming him? Hold on, whanau. Just dropping this side down now. Just the same process that we did on the other side. That's how easy it is. Whew, my stomach is rumbling. There we go. Getting a bit of a plat look going on. Okay, I'm going to check the speaker soon. Amir would be proud of your work. Oh. I just hope the people who descend from Vikings like it. Even though UBISOFT hit me up to do it. There we go. Okay, I need a drink. Damn, I might have to make these ones deeper now. I've got to fix this up. Yeah, he's alright. I've been playing on the controller, then come with the switches, annoying. Yeah, I hear those side thingies on the switches can break easily too. Oh, they don't last as long. You and the whanau have a mean barbecue set up this Christmas. Oh yeah, just the normal one. Bro, we got this table. They made out of fence posts, see? Bro, it's pretty long. Shit, I can't do a good comparison. Anyway, I'm just gonna go and get a game. Yeah, the Switch controllers are a scam, unfortunately. Actual! Well, that kind of sucks then. Glad I didn't get one. I'll just check this on that side. Sorry, I thought I could reach. Not even. They know, they know, they know. Two tea bacons. All good progress, eh? Hey, Thunder. What's everyone up to, or what's everyone looking forward to eating, I should say, for Christmas? I should mush it up. Okay, should be sort of charged now. Alright. How's our bit rate? Oh, looks good. Homemade pretzels and baked treats. Ooh, that sounds good. Lockdown in Wales, yeah, I heard it's all lockdown over there again. You can have Christmas with me if you like. I want to try and find some spicy noodles to eat, eh? Have a bloody laugh, that's for sure. Oh, I'm coming through. Okay, doing the last bit. Go. Damn, instead of rounding them I should have left them like that. Actually it doesn't look too bad. Oh, that's good waves. Man, yeah, that would have been mean. It actually makes it look like a thing even more, but mind you, round is better as well. So it kind of makes it look like a plait, so flat with an edge over here. Oh well, carry on. Take it off. Cheers, girl. Someone screamed. Oh shit. Hold on, fams. I'm just gonna round these out. It should be good. Imagine if Broxh never got sub from that guy. Oh, I'd probably still be carving next to a clothesline, to be honest. That's the one thing I hate about that frickin' washing. Thanks, Sidefoot. Hey, Chur, Benny Mahalo. Chur, brother. Okay. Yeah, like, if Infernex didn't sub, I'd probably... Oh. No, it wasn't him. He wasn't the first. Well, he was one of the first, but it wasn't him. Jeez, it's been a while, wasn't he? I can't remember. Making me think. Just flattening out these beard sections, and I'll go back to this part. These two here. Hey, ball as well as you. Oh, thanks, Alexander. Sure, brother. Pretoria. Thank you very much for the 5 months, man. Hello to Gordon, Gauchi, and Aaron Dom Pearson. Mr. Domo with a face, okay. Okay, let's get these done. Just taking off all the corners, eh? That's about it. Oh man, I was actually feeling those corners, eh? Nah, it won't look good for when I line the beard. Yeah, nah. Makes sense. Makes sense. Don't do it. Don't do it. Since it's half one, yeah, I think you should go to sleep too, brother. If it's early hours, please go to sleep. There'll be another one tomorrow. Probably not Friday. And I have to travel home for Boxing Day because Mrs. Broxh is gonna stay with her parents. I'm gonna come home, do our stream, our Christmas stream. We should be good. And I'll do a few streams here while I'm home, and then go back over. Here we go. Much better. Nah, bonfire. I always push clean my work. Doesn't matter what it's from. Yeah, nah, I'll still push clean it. Unless UBISOFT themselves want it to look rough. I'll be like, nah. Bastelio, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Because there isn't really much designing on this. it's pretty much the base. He's designing on the base. Bit in here, like obviously the beard and the clothes in here, or the cloak. Hello, Chaos. Cheer, brother. Okay. Shape this. Man, I could do with a biscuit right now. Looks great. Hey, thanks, brother. What's your plans for Chrissy? Eat. Spend time with whanau. And eat some more. Go for a swim. Come home. Eat some more. Then come the next day, back to dieting. Scotch finger. Gee, I don't know what those are. Bro, to be honest, one that has heaps in the pack, to be honest. I'm a bit of a toffee pop man, but then again, there's other cool ones too. Ooh, okay. Looks great. Thanks, brother. I think I want to try, how do I do that? Chaos, you just scroll down and you'll see the title, and then I'll see you soon. I think I want to give healing a go in WoW too. I used to play Mistweaver, but I think I want to play Resto Shaman and Holy Pelly. We'll be leveling and learning properly on our International Christmas Day. So hopefully this is me when I'm playing Prot Pelly, but really, Retribution Pelly man? Nah, there's enough of yous out there. I was playing red, but then I was like, nah. There's like a whole tribe of yous. Is the Pelly on Illidan? No, it's on Bath, but I found I can go to Illidan. I have I only have a DK and a warrior on Illidan, but I might take the warrior off. I don't think I want to level 3 of them. I mean, I can. It's easy, but it is one of my favourite classes. No, I'll just leave it there. Do you watch any other WoW streamers? Yeah, bro. Bajira, Towley, the Brother Panda. Sometimes I watch Zaryu and Venruki as well. Those are the main ones. Games outside of WoW. Seas, really enjoy his streams. Man, there's so many, eh? DK, they pretty much play Among Us most of the time. Tifu sometimes, I watch him now and again. Some of my favourite artist streams, probably Thunder, Just, Dave Greco. Man, there's someone else that I keep watching. I keep forgetting. Young Khan, he's another one. Bro, there's a few others too, but I can't remember. People gotta stop sleeping on the art channel. Who else? Moda. Yeah, I enjoy watching Moda. I would say Nick, but he quit streaming. Sadly, I was kind of a bit sad he did, but all good. That's only when I have time to, really. Most of the time it's children. children. Why did he quit? I think he's just busy IRL. Man, he's got an amazing bloody truck, so I don't blame him. Bro, his truck is amazing. I'd be driving it in mud every day out in the outback. Yeah, he just hasn't been feeling well lately and just wants a rest from it, eh? Which is all good. Most of the time at night I'll be watching Panda, just catching up with him. Crystal Wolf. Just have a look, dude. That's all you have to do. You don't have to quit because you don't know which music to play. Do some research, maybe? I can't play lo-fi while I carve too much because I start getting tired. Are you going to teach your kids? Yeah, if they're keen to. I won't force it on them. It's the last thing you want to do. But ideally, probably if I have a son, just because of how it was taught in traditional times and why. Okay, I need to flip the bugger on the side. Do the rubber band later. There we go. First thing you've carved. Oh, I just lost their comment. Damn. Hold on, I'm just looking for it. This one, Lewis. It's coming along nicely. Oh, thanks, bro. Leave no wood untouched whanau in any type of carving you do, or even art as well, I would say. Coming along nicely. I love it. Thank you. Do you think you can say happy birthday to my friend Roman? I want to surprise him. Okay. Oh, Happy birthday to Roman from Teal Turkey. Hope you have a good birthday, brother. So what's going to happen? Teal Turkey will definitely be buying you lunch, getting you breakfast the next day, and if you play Fortnite, he's going to shout you some V-Bucks as well. Yeah, hard Infinity Stone. People that moan a lot, I just think, oh, ungrateful. If you don't like it, stop playing the game. That's how I see it. It's like, it's just a game. Why are you mad? It's just a game. I don't get splinters, see? Splinters are too mainstream now. Nah, the skin under my hands, or my palms and here gone hard, bro. Why do you have to be mad? It's just a game. Just like everyone that's getting mad at Echo because they're doing their raid pulls offline. I mean, come on, bro, you're not an Echo. Shush. Not even going for world first. See a lot of people moaning about that. Don't you get splinters without gloves? I mean, I'll tell you when I get my first ever splinter. There's a fly. Oh man, I was going to try catch it. Yeah, I didn't even feel that because... Yeah. Oh, Chur has to. Okay, I might play one more song before I give Mrs. Brox's phone back. Ooh, I smell food. In summer, it's Spifter. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. So, my skin would be ribbons. Oh, true. Oh yeah, bro. Watched it yesterday and this morning. One and two. My daughter likes Wreck-It Ralph too, so I was like, oh yep, that's good, we'll keep you on. It's like, oh, that's good, you like a real movie. 50 love, thank you very, oh, 50 love. Oh, 50 is love, thank you very much for the 8 months, brother. God damn. Thank you, bro. He quotes it back to him. That's kids though, eh? Okay, there we go. So just cleaning up the sides of the beard, get all this flaky timber off that we do not need there, and carry on basically. What's the time? Jeez, I better go see my grandmother soon. Mr. Savage Life, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Honto Log, thank you very much for the bits as well, brother. We're just cleaning up the side of this beard for now, whanau. Need the skew for that angle. Yeah. $2.44. Okay, damn, I might have to go soon. Vicious Rose, thank you very much for the sub as well. Thank you. Oh, hello. Oh, what's those? Oh, book. I thought you had like 3 phones. You used to, but only use one. Looks sounds so sunny and nice there. Oh yeah, it's all good now. It was hot before. Yeah, these birds are fighting for supremacy over the bugs over there. The little chirpy birds and a few others. Some young bird fights. Oh, Vicious Rose, you didn't have to do that. Thank you for gifting 2 subs to Baby Bell, in sequel. And then Blankets with the 500 bits. You didn't have to, man. And Surgeons with the 7 months. Holy cow. Much appreciated, whanau. Certainly. Thank you, whanau. Just rounding these. Okay. There we go. Okay, I've got most of it off. That'll be all good for now. Oh, thanks, Blankets. Right, still do. Doesn't have to, my man. The Sketched, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Oh, did you? Yeah, better remove the alerts. Why did you donate, bro? You one of those link savers as well? Bro, honestly, bro, please don't. Christmas is this week. Have a wonderful Christmas. Oh, bro, you didn't have to, eh? Sturdy, thanks for gifting a sub to Audibot Live. Oh, bloody no yes. Bloody hell. Okay, gotta cut down because the grain's going the other way. J Moo, thank you very much for the sub, J Moo. Gotta take my man to the doctor soon and I'm still in my pajamas. Oh, that's not good. All good. Have a good one. Bro, I'm starving, eh? I was looking at the spinach and the broccoli, sorry. We got one broccoli left. I was just gonna eat it, eh? I mean, I eat broccoli raw anyway, but it was looking pretty nice. Here we go. Gotta focus on these two sections for the beard. Don't atomic. Ooh. Thank you, Ninja, for the bits, brother. Yeah, I have spinach on my pizza too. It's pretty good, man. Hold on, whanau. Joe, no mate. Any peanut butter sandwich today, Thunder? What are you making? A bloody mess. Nah, carving Odin, brother, from Assassin's Creed. Stand them up, eh? Okay, while you look at that, I'm just gonna have a quick drink. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. Just gonna look at it from the side too. That's good, they don't look the same, the beards. It's not one thing I didn't want for it to look the same. I'll dig these a bit more now, that these are quite deep. So I've got to shape out that mow in this section here. And the face as well. And we have to drop this side. I'll actually do that now. Yeah, we'll do that now. Just having a look on the other side. Yep, and then I gotta drop that shoulder. Beard is solid. Yeah, I just gotta fix up this side. And these two sections here. Not bad, the good size. Does he have one eye? Does he have one eye on the game? Because that's what I'm following. I'm following these. The Ubisoft gave. You can see his face. Get that gun out of my face! Okay, well I'm back down. I'll drop this side because my mother's here, so I better finish soon. Sorry, whanau. Does he have one eye in the game? Oh, I don't know because I haven't played it, that's why I'm asking you. God, I don't know. I have not yet played it. Yo, Vicious Rose, thank you very much for the bits. Thank you for being a wonderful person and your multiplication in the world. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you very much for the bits, but don't forget, you have a wonderful Christmas too. I think you mistook the knot in the wood for an eye. Why would I do that? I've seen enough knots in my life to know it's not an eye. Yeah, the best. Lord Viking, thank you very much for the 4 months, brother. Yes, Super Typhoon. Not you, someone who asked. Oh, right. Do you get splinters? No. I'll tell you when I get my first one. Don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. There we go, getting more face now. Thank you, Six Long Bow. Thanks, brother, for the sub. The prime for the primus. Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. All on the same level now. Oh, for awesome. Sorry, fine. I'm just trying to get this out the way, and then I'll be back with you guys. Clean them up. There we go. Clean enough. We got around the face. Thank you, Six Long. Cheers, brother. Much appreciated, Whanau. Okay, well, unfortunately, Whanau, yeah, my mum is here, and I have to call it a day for now. I'm very sorry. Okay, we can either host. We can either host. No, we'll just host them anyway. Sorry, Whanau, you have to go now. My mum just turned up, and I think it's time to go and see my grandmother who's just got out of the hospital today. Yeah, Link Ultra. This COVID free, hopefully, and long. I love you, man. Wish you were my cousin or brother. Hope to pick up woodcarving. Yeah, all good, Link Ultra. All good, brother. You still can. Just be the brother on here. Sorry, Whanau. Yeah, I have to go now. Wasn't expecting her to show up. I said we were going to her house. Bloody nowhere's like this fella. Oh, got it wrong. Oh, it's a Z. Always keep forgetting names, eh? Just for kicks. Or just for kicks, as Millsy would say. Oh, what's his name? Oh, I forgot the T. One bloody job.